Okay, we have our autumn celebration all printed on fabric for you. If you buy a kit, you will receive your pattern already printed on this feed sack fabric. It's a thicker fabric. When I originally stitched, and in the upcoming videos, you will see that I was using a thinner material. I decided pretty quickly that I wanted to provide the thicker material in the kits. This is lovely and it's fine and it works for me, and it was just lovely to work with. I just feel like this is a more substantial material for you. It's more fitting with the fall season and the chunky stitches. So even though you'll see me be stitching blocks on this while I was demoing making it, you're going to receive this in your kit. We do have the pattern only available. The pattern only will come with the instructions and the design printed on stick and stitch fabric that you can attach to whatever fabric you choose to stitch on. So let's start stitching. So to start this, and when I start stitching a block, I never really know what I'm going to do, and sometimes it comes together as I'm doing it. So I started just doing like a running stitch, and you can see that they're trying to get it. They're kind of, a big stitch. And then with the next row, I did like a brick layer. So I started here and went halfway here, and then halfway to the first one, halfway. I did the same thing down here. But now I think I'm gonna do another stitch in the center that kind of brings it up a little bit, because a hat is curved. So I'm gonna try to build it up a little bit. I've decided to fill in my witch hat with the chain stitch. I stitch up, then I turn my frame, and then I go back down. So you see, I'm going to bring the needle up at my starting point. We're going to call that number 1. We're inserting the needle back down right next to number 1, and we're going to make a loop. Then we're going to move up a stitch, maybe like 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit less. Bring our needle up, and we're going to secure our loop, but we don't want to pull it too tight. We just want to keep it nice and light and fluffy. We're going to insert the needle back down right next to where we came up, so it's still within the loop. We're going to make another loop. We're going to move up a stitch. We're going to pull it up, keep that loop nice and fluffy. Insert the needle back down in the same spot, and you're going to repeat. You're going to go straight up to the tip of the hat, and then you're going to turn your frame or hoop, go right back down, and you're going to fill in the whole hat. I added the chain stitching down at the bottom of the hat, and then for the band and the buckle, I did a simple satin stitch. Watch my next video, which is block number 2, the stars.